Welcome to Bike Shift, where legendary machines meet timeless stories. Today, we take a nostalgic ride into Indian automotive history with a car that ruled the roads for decades and became a symbol of power, pride, and simplicity, the Hindustan Ambassador. The Hindustan Ambassador was launched in 1958, inspired by the British Morris Oxford. From the very beginning, it was designed for Indian roads, Indian conditions, and Indian families. Its solid body, tall stance, and unmistakable shape made it instantly recognizable across cities and villages alike. One of the most unique things about the Ambassador was its timeless design. For decades, its rounded body, wide grille, and simple headlamps remained almost unchanged. While the world moved toward sharp lines and modern curves, the Ambassador proudly stayed classic, earning respect as a car that valued function over fashion. Indian roads were never easy, and the Ambassador was built like a tank. With high ground clearance, strong suspension, and a heavy metal body, it handled rough roads, potholes, and long journeys with ease. This toughness made it a favorite for government officials, taxi operators, and long-distance travelers. Over the years, the Ambassador came with petrol and diesel engine options. It was never about speed or racing performance. Instead, it focused on reliability and comfort. The engine was tuned for steady cruising, making it perfect for long drives and daily use without complications. For decades, the Ambassador was the official car of politicians, senior officers, and government departments. Seeing an Ambassador with a red beacon instantly commanded respect. It wasn't just a car. It was a moving symbol of authority and status in India. Production of the Hindustan Ambassador officially stopped in 2014. Changing technology, modern competitors, and evolving customer preferences slowly pushed this legend off the production line. Yet, its legacy remains untouched in Indian automotive history. Even today, the Hindustan Ambassador holds emotional value. Restored models, classic car rallies, and collector interest keep its spirit alive. It represents an era when cars were simple, strong, and full of character. The Hindustan Ambassador is more than just a vehicle, it is a memory, a tradition, and a true Indian legend. While it may no longer rule the roads, its presence will always remain in the hearts of automobile lovers. This was the story of an icon, only on Bike Shift.